Welcome to GNS Associates, your trusted guide for finance and accounting. Today, we're diving into the essential tax rules for Airbnb hosts in the UK. Grab a cup of tea and let's get started. As Airbnb hosts, navigating tax obligations is crucial. From income tax to VAT and council tax or business rates, understanding what you owe is key. And let's not forget about capital gains tax when you eventually sell your property. The amount you pay hinges on several factors: the type of rental, how often you rent it, and your annual income. But fear not, there are ways to lower your tax bill through various expenses and reliefs. Now, a common question: does Airbnb automatically deduct taxes? No, hosts, it's on you to complete self-assessments and pay owed taxes to HMRC. And here's a tip: the Rent a Room scheme allows you to earn up to £7,500 in rental income without tax implications, provided you're renting a room in your own home. But what if your income exceeds these thresholds? In that case, you need to fill in a self-assessment tax return. You have options for calculating profits, but it's essential to understand the implications for claiming expenses or allowances. Do I need to pay VAT on my Airbnb rental income? Not unless you've earned more than £85,000 over the previous 12 months. If you have, you'll need to register for VAT. This means charging 20% VAT to your guests and completing a regular VAT return. For properties in England, if your property is available to rent for 140 days or more throughout the year, you'll pay business rates. If not, you'll pay council tax. For properties in Scotland and Wales, your property must also be rented out for at least 70 days a year to qualify for business rates. For the purposes of tax, being an Airbnb host is essentially treated as a rental business, which means you can deduct certain allowable expenses from your taxable income. That concludes today's guide on Airbnb tax rules in the UK. Remember, tax laws evolve, so consult a specialist. For personalized advice, reach out to GNS Associates Business Accountants in London. Their details are on the screen. For complete article on tax implication on Airbnb, follow our blog from the link in the description.